yung labas ng aming room. And we got this room for 2,000 pesos only. Makikita nyo yung kama, dalawa yan na pinagdikit lang nila. And of course, may AC, may TV. And ito naman yung kanilang closet area na merong safety deposit box. And ito yung kanilang comfort room. Make sure to bring your own toothbrush and conditioner because they don't provide that. And dito naman tayo sa may bintana para makita nyo yung aming view. So, as you can see, talagang Mediterranean vibe tong hotel na to. And makikita nyo rin dito na may mga pictures and parang paintings na nakahang. Yun ata yung kanilang inspo for this hotel. Moving on, ito naman yung kanilang pool area. Meron silang kiddie pool and a lap pool. And nandito rin sa baba yung kanilang mga family villas. Their Cafe Mirano where they serve their free breakfast. And I highly recommend their artisan ensaimadas because it was so good. We actually bought 3 boxes for pasalubong.
Alright, so let's dive in with the things that you need to know before you come here. First is they do not accommodate guests na unvaccinated pa. And actually, by now, you should be fully vaccinated already. And second is, wala silang mga katabing establishments such as convenience stores or other resorts. So, kung may gusto kayong bilhin, puntahan, you have to travel via tricycle. And it's only 150 pesos per tricycle. So, ang maximum capacity ng tricycle is 3 people. So, you can divide it into 3 persons. So, lalabas lang na 50 pesos per head lang yung transportation nyo. And then, the next one is, meron silang corkage dito. If in case na gusto nyong mag-uwi ng mga food from outside, hindi pwede. And then, the next one is, the hotel is really charming and nagpadagdag pa ng charm niya is yung mga staff dito na super accommodating and lahat ng kailangan nyo, you can just ask them and they would happily help you. Nag-provide din sila sa amin ng free airport transfer from the airport and to the airport. So, yun talaga yung nakapagpasold sa akin na kasama na yung airport transfer. Hindi na kami mahihirapan mag-book ng kung sino pa na hahanapin namin. Book this hotel via their Facebook page. And of course, I'm gonna put the link on the description box below and your contact number as well. So always check the description box, guys, kasi lagi ako naglalagay doon ng mga details para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-search. And then sila na din pala yung naghanap ng car for us for the city tour. And yung nahanap nilang car is Innova. And ang rate niya talaga is 3,500. Pero medyo pricey siya. Kaya ang sabi namin baka may discount. So it went down to 2,500 only. And 5 kami. So parang 500 pesos lang yung pinaghati-hatian namin. For my final thoughts and review about the place, I'm gonna give this 4 stars. Actually, it could have been 5. Ang nag-iisang con lang na naiisip ko is we just have to went back and forth sa convenience store via tricycle kasi nga wala silang mga katabing convenience store. Pero aside from that, the staff is great, the food is good too, and the ambience is amazing. Talagang kakaiba siya sa lahat ng mga hotel na napagstayan ko. It's not luxurious, but the vibe talaga here is perfect. So, actually, if babalik kami ng Bohol, we would stay here again kasi talagang nagustuhan namin yung stay. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!